Hey everyone, I'm Chef Joe Sasto and I'm teaming up with Alaska Seafood to share with you some restaurant secrets for cooking at home. Now this Seafood Sunday, I'm gonna show you the proper way to getting crispy skin on Alaskan salmon. First things first, stainless steel pan, we're gonna get down, heating up hot, hot, hot. While the pan's heating up, I'm gonna use a paper towel and just dry the skin of the salmon. Getting rid of all of that excess moisture on the surface of the skin is gonna help us achieve a crispy crust. Generously season your salmon. A little bit of oil down in a hot pan. Place your salmon down away from you into the hot oil and immediately press and hold the skin down into that oil. This is going to stop the salmon from curling up and make sure you have a flat, crispy skin. So one of the tricks to cooking salmon like this, you can actually watch the salmon cook as the color changes through the flesh. That'll tell you when it's time to flip and finish cooking on the other side. Once you can see that the salmon is about halfway cooked, that's when I like to come in with a little bit of butter, aromatics, then I'll give my salmon a flip. While tilting the pan back, use a spoon and baste the foamy butter over the top of the salmon to cook the fish through. After about another minute or two, salmon comes out of the pan. Now check out that crispy skin. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, crispy skinned salmon. Thanks everyone for watching. Now I'm gonna eat this.